reason I'm videotaping this is because I've been running these bulbs here at about their maximum brightness for over a half an hour, and there has been no change in battery voltage. Now, I don't know what's going on, but it's about 180 milliamps, assuming about 180 milliamps at 12 volts. So that's supplying at least the 4 watts that's consumed by those bulbs at that intensity. That's what the math shows. That's why I have the power settings where they are, so that the instruments tell me I'm delivering the watts that the manufacturer rates those bulbs at, which is 2 watts apiece. That's what it adds up to with Ohm's law. But the paradox here is that there's no drop in source battery voltage. There has been no drop in source battery voltage in this system. Now, I'm continuing to tape this. Something should show up on that multimeter with this power consumption. Now, the transistor is pretty cool. The pot warms up a little bit, but it can take it. It's a big, sturdy potentiometer, but it doesn't overheat. But my multimeter tells me that my battery is not losing any power while I'm running these bulbs. Let me back off here. Be looking at that meter. How is this possible? This is going to be a lengthy video because I'm demonstrating here that it appears that this is not causing the battery to drop in voltage to run this system. It's been right there for at least the entire length of this video. Something should have shown up now. Some minor increment of depletion with all of the lumens that I'm generating here with these 2 lamps. I'm going to turn the light out here and see what happens here. That's what those bulbs are rated to do. That should be the 4 watts. But what's going on here? Just what's going on? There's my amp meter again. back to the battery voltage. Let me pan back over here. These are lengthy kind of videos showing no change in source voltage over time. Give me the ammeter in that picture too. There's nothing going on, folks, but the camera's recording the time. And if you want to just fast forward on the, video track, it'll show you that there's no trickery going on here. This is an actual measurement. The maximum video length is 15 minutes. So if I run it that long, that doesn't mean you have to spend 15 minutes staring at this multimeter and these lamps. All you got to do is move the cursor over to the final frame. You'll see the same result, and there's proof that the lights have been running for the 15 minutes with no visible drop in source battery voltage at that amp draw, around 150 to 180 milliamps perhaps. But it's in resonance. You can hear an audible ring from the transformer. It's very, very faint. You have to get close to it and put your ear down on it. But it's ringing. And those bulbs are putting off what I think they're designed to output in luminosity. But with the potentiometer set to deliver the amperage that creates the power that the manufacturer suggests that the bulb outputs in watts. In other words, just to deliver what the 2 watts to the bulb with the resistance setting on the base tank here. See, I'm delivering the manufacturer's recommended wattage to the bulbs, which is 2 watts, which is a lot of power. I should be running my battery now. Why? There has been no evidence of any kind of power depletion in the source battery with this system here is a deep mystery to me. And anyone would want to look at this.